Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on light mode on Spotify. We all know that light mode is not available on Spotify. Everything is dark. If we go to the settings, there is no option to turn on light mode. But if you want to do this on your iPhone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So go to your settings, navigate to accessibility. Now scroll down and look for where it says per app settings. Click on it, and here we have to add Spotify to our per app settings. Click on add app, and we're going to look for Spotify and click on it. Now open Spotify from here, scroll all the way down. You're going to see where it says smart invert. Click on it and turn this on. When you are done, make sure you close Spotify from the recent menu. Now launch Spotify. As you can see right here, we now have light mode on Spotify. I made a video recently about YouTube Music. To be honest, this actually looks good more than YouTube Music. The albums are correct. Everything looks pretty good. So that's how you turn on light mode on Spotify. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.